have the angle-angle similarity theorem. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So we're going to keep that in mind as we work these problems right here. All right, I have a triangle CDE and this one GHK, and I do see the 90s, so I know that these two are the same size, but this is 26 and this is 64. Now, it is altogether possible that this might be 64 or this might be 26. We kind of need to see, so then we can decide if we have two or not. Right now, we only have one. So if one of the angles is 90, then the other two angles have to add to be 90. So 90 minus 26, if I subtract that, I get 64. So it is true. On this one, I do have a 64 degrees. And likewise, this would have to be 26 degrees. So let's color coordinate those. The 26s are the same size. And also the 64s are the same size. So I actually have more than two. I have three, but I only needed two. So now that I've said that, I can say that the two triangles are similar, but I need to put them in the proper order. So a proper order for this would be triangle. Let's just say we go CDE. CDE is similar to triangle. CDE, that would be, I've got to make it match. So I started with the green, and then when I went to the red and blue, so green, red, blue, KGH. All right, and that would be by the angle-angle similarity theorem. Okay, now it asks if these triangles right here are similar, or could we prove that they're similar? Okay, so I have a triangle inside a triangle, and I have 52. We know that these would be parallel to each other because those are both the same size and they're corresponding. We also know that the angle A is in the small triangle and he's in the large triangle. So I have angle A is congruent to angle A by the reflexive property. That means that I have two that would be congruent. Two angles that would be congruent. So yes, they are similar. So I will say triangle ABE is similar to triangle ABE ACD by the angle-angle similarity theorem. Okay, now we're looking at these, and I don't have anything marked whatsoever, but I do have some knowledge. These angles right here are vertical angles, and we know that vertical angles would be congruent. Another thing that we know is that these are parallel lines, and this could be called a transversal. So if these parallel lines, imagine these, they keep on going, and this is the transversal that keeps going. This right here and this right here would be alternate interior angles. And since they're alternate interior angles, we do have two sets of congruent angles. So I can say triangle, let's see, what order do I want to put this in? SVR, triangle SVR, you can put it any way you want to, is similar. SVR, that's purple, green, plane. Purple, green, plane would be UVT. And that would also be by the angle-angle similarity theorem.